Welcome to Mrs. Trautman's World History class. This year, we will be exploring many ancient civilizations that have shaped the world to be what it is today. Your child will need an orange folder, colored pencils, paper, and pencils. I very rarely assign homework or homework projects, and we haven't issued textbooks this year, much to your child's relief. Graded work can usually be picked up by your child if you want to look at their papers. Otherwise, we will periodically pass back papers in batches. These papers are to be kept in their orange folder so that you can have a look at them. When you check your child's grade in Focus, click on My Class to see the score they got for each assignment. When you compare it to their graded papers, they can always fix them up and turn it in again, or they can start from scratch. But what if your child got a 0? Usually that means they forgot to turn it in, forgot to put their name on it, lost it, or didn't do it. But all is not lost. They can do the assignment by logging into Canvas and doing it from there, with a little bit of parental help, of course. As we move through the year, together parents, we can make world history a great learning experience for your child. Feel free to email me or text me at the number and address on your screen, or I can be messaged in Focus. Thank you so much for participating in Open House.